Griffin, did Santa come?
Yeah. Hey!
What is that?
Santa brought her toy right here.
Yeah, what did Santa bring there?
I got tools.
What kind of tools are they?
Where's Santa?
You got a toy too. Look at your toy. Look at your toy, Turner. Christmas 2011.
Where's Santa?
Well, he already had to go. He had to take stuff to other kids, but he brought stuff for you, didn't he? Did you get a tool bench and tools?
What kind of tools you got, bud?
Did you see what you got?
That's for the saw.
Where's the saw?
Right here. You gotta hold the button. It's underneath here.
Are you sewing up that balloon?
Uh-oh.
Try your other saw.
Where's the other saw? It's right here?
Yep.
Griffin, that is cool.
What are you gonna saw with that?
Griffin, look over here. Show Mommy your saw.